Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best corner bookshelves that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the reclaimed 4-tier weathered oak finish wall corner bookshelf bookcase. This is great bookshelf bookcase shelf that occupies only a corner of your room. It is perfect for storing books and other items as well. This 4-tier wall corner bookshelf measures 62 inches high by 12.25 long by 12.25 deep, and it is a great addition to your home decor. In addition to that, the bookshelf is made of MDF, hardwood and strong metal frames that make it durable and long-lasting. Assembling this bookshelf bookcase is very easy and takes less space in your room. With its weathered oak finish and black metal will give your room a great look. Besides that, it is strong enough to hold many books. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the eHomeProducts 5-tier vintage brown finish wall corner bookshelf bookcase. This inventive corner bookcase from eHomeProducts is constructed using medium-density fireboard (MDF) and strong metal frames, making it sturdy and durable. It's a 5-tiers bookshelf bookcase that can be placed on any corner of the room, saving you much space in your house. Furthermore, this bookshelf is available in a vintage brown finish that will add elegance in your room. The bookshelf measures 24 inches length by 24 inches width by 60 inches height, and it is easy and quick to assemble. This reasonably priced wall corner bookshelves is worth to purchase if you are searching for something that is stylistic and meets your daily needs. At number 3, we have the VAS AG Le Fortier corner shelf display shelf bookshelf. The VAS AG Le Fortier corner bookcase is diligently constructed keeping in mind small living spaces, and it is perfect for storing books, children's toys and other knickknacks. It features 4-tier open shelves that will offer ample space to store items that you need to display or easily correct. In addition to that, it is built with durable chipboard for shelving and sturdy metal for the frame, thus the bookshelf have long service life. Assembling this bookshelf is very simple and comes with all tools needed for worry-free assembly. Besides that, its stylish and sophisticated self-units will liven up your home while combining both industrial and contemporary furniture styles. Ordinarily, this unit is ideal in your home, office or any other place. At number 2, we have the VAS AG Le Industrial 5-tier ladder bookcase corner shelf storage rack. VAS AG Le is one of the leading brands that produce furniture and is well known for its innovative homely designs. They have made for you this 5-tier corner shelf storage rack that is crafted from a metal frame and high-strength chipboard, making it durable and long-lasting. Each tier on this ladder bookcase can hold weight up to 11 pounds, and features 2 adjustable feet stand, hence you can use this unit on uneven floors. No need to hire a DIY expert, as this unit is easy to assemble and comes with an instruction guide on how to assemble. Besides that, this ladder bookcase will bring a delicate touch to your place and it will add stylishness in your room. And finally, at number 1, we have the O&K Furniture 5-shelf industrial vintage brown corner bookcase and shelf. O&K Furniture has offered you this affordable, craftily designed and supreme quality corner bookcases that is going to save more space for you. The bookcase self measures 16.5 inches by 16.5 inches by 69.9 inches and will fit nicely against the wall and will occupy less floor space. On top of that, it is a multi-purpose and multifunctional shelves that you can use it to hold travel collectibles, houseplants, and some photos, or use it as a bookcase. It has a strong construction as it is made using a clean-lined metal frame and wood-grain PVC MDF board. This makes it durable and will serve you for a long time. Ideally, the unit comes with step-by-step instructions on how to assemble and takes a few minutes. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.